So good morning again in a new video. I've been working since a while. I did my usual task, water the seedling, and then I was here since a bit of time, cutting a bit of grass, cleaning. Like again, I cleaned all the area up because the weeds. I cleaned these two beds from what remained, and I get a quick clean also here and there to make it less weedy with the time, also so the plant get more air circulation. And yeah, so the idea now is preparing 1, 2, 3 beds and get them ready for transplanting. So yeah, I need first to broad fork with my broad fork here, and broad fork the bed, and then after add chicken manure and horns and nails, and then after adding using the power harrow to shred what remained from roots and leaves from last plant, and then adding manure and transplant. So yeah, big day today. So here it is, the power harrow. It's just too small, but with two pass, one going down, one going up, after broad forking, you get a nice result. So yeah, this bed is quite nice now. I'll just add some of the manure. The only problem, or not problem, but challenge, that here to bring this manure actually up there, I cannot go with wheels, so I use the buckets. So here you can see I did the 4 rows, 1, 2, 3 and 4 with the different grader. This is actually a metal one. It made 4 rows, and the distance here are less than 25 centimeter. It's just 20. And this for different crops like spinach. I usually even plant it more densely, but this year I will try to plant it wider so they get bigger. Here it is, all the seedling just laid down, and now it's transplanting. So here they all done, the spinach. I opened the water on, all transplanted. Not in the best condition because it was so hot, but now the sun is hiding there under the clouds, so it's okay. So yeah, nice amount of spinach. And down there, so here with the rain, you can see best result with the grader. The 3 rows. So these 2 beds are already ready for transplanting now. One will be fennel, one will be Chima di Rapa. So the fennel are actually ready to transplant. These are the ones we buy. Super small. $25 cm. So here we are, fennel in. All fennel. Just 1 bed for now. And here's the Chima di Rapa, or this baby broccoli. Some people, or broccolini. Yeah. And in the meantime, the girls are cleaning the cabbage. A wonderful work. My goodness. Yeah, this cabbage will be super heavy now. Like you see there, how it's the jungle. You're doing a really great job. Voila. So yeah, the girls are finished cleaning all the cabbage. It's for me the most successful succession of cabbage I ever had in my entire growing seasons. It's quite nice size now, and even quite nice looking, and numbers, and also yeah, like I did a mistake that I mix the early to harvest and late ones together, but it's okay. Like, it looks super clean, super nice.